Hello my beautiful braiders and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for today's video because we're gonna do a review of my brand new hair extensions by GOOGOOHAIR. So this is my third time trying their hair extensions and I've been using their hair extensions for almost 2 years now and I'm impressed with the hair quality. These are their double drawn clip-ins. Double drawn means that the hair is thick from the top to the ends, and these are 20 inches in the shade 3/8/613. So GOOGOOHAIR offers different types of hair extensions, different lengths, different shades to choose from, and they also offer a color matching service. And if you're not sure about which shade to choose, just send them a photo of your own hair color and they will match it perfectly. So the hair will arrive in this package and let's see what's inside of the package. So you will receive a sample of the hair. So this is just to see if you chose the right shade for you. And if you did not, you can easily return the hair and they will send you a new one. The hair is so soft and silky. Like I said, I am familiar with their hair quality and I know that they are perfect. The clip-ins are great as well. So we'll see in a minute how I put on my hair extensions, how I clip them. They will also send you an alligator clip, which is so helpful, and the hair itself, along with an instruction manual on how to properly wash the hair, maintain the hair, some extra clip-ins. So these hair extensions have 10 pieces inside and they are 160 grams, which is plenty of hair. Like I said, these are double drawn, which means that they are full from top to the ends. So since my hair is pretty thin, I install my hair extensions right away. But if you have thicker hair and once you install your hair extensions, you have that visible line where your hair ends and where the extensions begin, I would highly suggest that you divide your hair into 2 sections and then just braid the bottom section and pin it against the head to lay flat and then start applying the hair extensions. I have some tutorials on my Instagram page that you can check them out where I do just that. So like I said, these have 10 pieces inside. You will get one piece which is 8 inches, one piece which is 7 inches, 2 pieces that are 6 inches, and 2 pieces that are 4 inches, and 4 pieces that are 1.2 inches. So 10 pieces in total. You have so much hair to work with, and let's put them in to see how they blend with my own hair. Okay, so I haven't even brushed the hair and the blend is just so perfect. I have tried different shades from them in the past and I think that this shade matches my hair color perfectly, but Like I said, if you are not sure about which shade to choose, just send them a photo of your hair color and they will do an amazing job with matching your hair color with the extensions. So I love GOOGOOHAIR hair extensions. I love their brand. I think that they are so affordable, and I will also include a discount code for you guys in the description box down below, so make sure to check their website. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you have any questions about the hair, just let me know. If you like me to do more tutorials with hair extensions, just let me know as well, and I'll see you in my next video.